Well, hey y'all, welcome to Throttle Power. I'm Tim, glad you could make it because I've got some exciting news for you. I'm getting ready to do a group build for the whole month of December. Anyone can join in. Paul over in the UK, who has International Scale Modeler. It's a great YouTube channel. Go check him out. You can just tell Paul you're going to join in. Anyone's welcome to join in. We are building the Foose Ford pickup truck. I have never built this kit before, have always wanted to build it. Now's my chance. I've got 1 month to get her done, and it started now. Officially all through December. First day of December to the last day of December. So follow along as I build the Foose pickup truck. Let's look and see what's in this kit real quick. That's how it comes bagged, and boxed. Tires and wheels, glass. Decals. Looks pretty straightforward. Body looks nice. There's the bed and a few of the parts trays. Everything looks really nice, pretty straightforward. Looks like it's going to be an easy build. So if you ever thought about maybe building this truck, so far I recommend it. All the wood grains in the bed. There's the frame. It's like the rear tail lights and the interior. We'll leave the chrome in the chrome bag. I like those wheels. These tires are going to be nice too. So there you have it. Foose pickup truck. Group build. All of December. Let's get on this thing. I think we'll have fun building this. And if you guys want to join in, let Paul know. We'll see you on the next episode on the Foose build.